Holy fuck, I'm gonna smash this fucker, you filthy motherfucker.
Let him rot, goddamn him.
Let's see what cool things we can make from iPon.
Ta-da! Milk chocolate for the peasant, caviar for the pig, a fantastic, transparent, deep cool case.
Very fancy display and cooler, and it's got everything. Everything comes with it.
I'm not sure what to look at, but it looks good. The GPU is at 46 degrees.
Watch, I'll move the mouse to show you. I'm a good guy, right?
This has an i5 processor, a 14600, whatever that means. It has a GeForce RTX 5060 Ti graphics card, which is more than enough. I assembled the computer myself, with Tony's help and encouragement. I don't know, check it out and see if it's good. Of course, you'll be able to watch this video on iPon's YouTube channel at ipon.yu. That's how it is.
We'll place the PC building link in front of Zjolti's face, since iPon lets you build a PC and share the link.
You can also include the full spec list.
That's it, bye kids. Go check out iPon. I almost forgot.
What is this? That's its basic input-output system. Okay, bro. I went to PE classes, not biology. And I was a chemistry major. And what does this do now? Or is it whistling like a blackbird? That matters. Wait, there's a new chair too, I'm just noticing.
No, the machine. This is a new chair.
It's pulled apart.
That's just the ignition.
What's going to catch fire? Then we can give it some gas. Let's give it some gas. This one's got torque. Does it? Are you stupid, man? Do you know how crazy this is?
But it started moving forward.
Yeah, but just this much.
Let's spray the brake cleaner in. That's what happened earlier. But not into the tank like that.
We're rich. Sanyika, move the seat forward.
It's clean now, it's clean now.
Oh fuck, this is really gonna start.
We'll put it on those tires like last time. The tooth can't get loose. They'll put it on.
This is washing gasoline, right? Well, this is leftover gasoline, actually.
I feel fine.
It was still new back then. 12 years ago.
Before the Great War.
Please step out. If it revs up, it'll start, right? Of course. Maybe you jump off when it climbs up Dezo.
Dezo would just doze off, unfazed by the mosquito.
Hold it.
Kölji. Will you pull it back?
All of them, all of them.
Cop. This is quite popular.
Blow into it a little.
Damn, this has compression. It almost came off.
How is it? How many people does it depend on? Did those jerks actually get into very important person? Or this is fake. It catches it and then it flies the hell away. But there could be another problem though.
But you can't break Panty's elbow. He does it himself.
Am I turning it correctly? Yes.
The machine will stop on its own. It has a gyro. See for yourself.
The gyro stops again. Let's break something already. Or the Tony. Okay.
Use only brake cleaner. The carburetor is clogged.
I think you were just adjusting the idle, right? That's what it does, isn't it?
Yeah.
Then maybe it's because the gas is bad, actually. Could be.
Strong, it smells bad.
There will be the exhaust dog on it. It'll be a bit lighter.
It should run from this much. It should run from this much.
Why are we pulling it now? Because he still wants it to run.
Yeah.
By the way, you're such an idiot, man. He's so good at rev limiting this Honda. Yeah.
I'm here. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to train my forearms so hard that by October 4th, I'll be so developed, people will go crazy. My hand won't get tired in the second round. Everyone else's will.
As for the gas, well, that I know.
We brought the very first one. I know we put new gas in it there too, and it was already much better with that.
So our goal for today is,
Today's goal is to try the Steed.
which at first was carburetor cleaning, and then other things came up.
I'm sure this is supposed to be spring-loaded. There should be a little spring here.
Don't slam it down so hard.
Meanwhile, I'll show you the other improvements. Is this a hinge for a gate strap?
This is specifically a gate hinge and a cabinet knob. Kind of.
It doesn't look good. Yeah, you're saying once it's this.
It doesn't seem clogged, by the way.
So there's a little bit of crust there, but that's totally fine.
Well, there aren't too many nozzles. The mixer should be underneath, I guess. The Veruja, Joe.
So I just blow this out and that's it? Let's go.
What else should I do? Just put the bottom on. It was left out, but it's assembled. Sorry, DeWalt moments you won't see in this video, because we can only post it in February. I disturbed him. I disturbed him.
See, it won't stay like that.
This is the future, Zolty, and it will be company's task.
Look over there.
You're removing the foil for Tony since he enjoys it. The tank costs as much as a carburetor.
There's a pre-filter in it, by the way.
Very good.
The choke is on for this, and this thing is open, yes.
We should get one like this since I fold this down, but we don't have it.
Fire hazard.
1 million. Don't do it. This guy's an idiot. Should we try?
But I don't know where inward is anymore.
But we realized one is just the butterfly stopper, right?
Yes.
We should screw that back in since the idle is too high. But otherwise it runs really well.
That's not high. It was the choke, not the idle.
Does it have an air screw?
It should have one.
Wow, this is strong.
No, whatever I adjust, wherever, there's no idle.
A tiny little problem, easily solvable.
I think it'll start now, without the choke, since it's probably warm enough.
We've reached that point, dear Zol.
At Humasi, you can't get junk anymore. No handlebars or wings.
It's embarrassing we had to order from abroad.
I think you could get it at Gary's place.
No, nowhere, damn it. This is what the world has come to. This is what the world has come to, damn it. That not even at Humasita can you get a crappy handlebar or a crappy wing.
I need this like I need a hole in the head.
You hear me? That's too high. You hear me? That's not it. So, how will this go? 2. Should I put one down below?
No, you don't need to cut this.
Oh, not that one. We're here. So I put one in the front too. Here, up. Okay, and then we're here. So I put one in the front too. Here, up.
But wait, it's moving. It's moving like this.
It's adjustable, you fool. Look, here, like this. Tickle, done. Ready for ironing.
What's up? Quietly, of course. Yes.
It's not that much for me.
What, you don't like it?
Well, the thing is, honestly, damn it, I just have 2 brackets laser cut.
Well, that'll be sad when that doesn't happen. But anyway, we did it.
All right, this wing, this is pharmacy size. I don't know how we managed that.
Well, I checked how wide it was.
I was thinking I could put it in the saw and cut it up, but then I guess I don't have to. You're welcome. We're still waiting for the rudders.
By the way, it's straight. Ooh, that would have been so good.
It will matter a lot.
Remember your words before Tony returns. I'm waiting for your guess on how many Bogdans he'll bring. Just one.
You didn't tell him it's 4 just to protect him as his lawyer.
There will be 4 go-karts. How many Bogdans?
This is a prototype.
8. Alright, but maybe if...
At least 4.
He thinks that if he buys 4 and that's still not good, then he might get screwed again.
He'd rather go back one more time.
That's right. Well, okay, then he'll buy more because the store has so many that they even sell them. That's right. This will be good, guys. How many horsepower is this?
270 cubic centimeters, is that what you said?
9.5 horsepower. Pretty good. How many did you bring?
4.
Oh, you're so smart. Oh, you're so smart. Really, why did you bring me like this? I'll strangle you with that chain.
But until then, we wait.
I almost took it straight to my throat. You noticed, by the way. Oh, almost. So we're making good progress with the plot. Well, so our dear Ferenc. He has prepared the... Put the door here. This is pretty cool, but honestly, it looks great in black, too.
So what I would do with this is this.
Make it lighter.
Oh, just a little bit higher.
What the hell are you laughing at, you jerk? Come on, pull it in. Come on. Oh, really?
Ready?
Did something happen? What happened?
Water shut down.
Yes, what is the problem? This. Did the tires start to go flat or what?
Protector.
Ha 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 ha. That's good. Houston, we have a problem. I feel like you left out a pretty important part. An important part called a wedge.
I'm looking! I'm pulling, damn it! It's gripping. Wait, it's not.
Then we have to find the wedge.
You look funny rolling like that. Haha.
Brakes set. I'm standing.
And he really broke it. On the left. Shall we do it?
Cut it out and there's more paper.
Plasma cutter dissolve.
Problem is, this isn't plasma. You can't cut that with this. I'll just hold it here. And someone take a look inside.
This is really good. Can someone hand it over? I think that's fine. But this is really good. Yes.
You hear me?
Tony, shame on you.
This isn't Viva Television. It's 1999. I don't know anything, yet I'm still here, just uselessly. I'm not your sibling, period.
Me? I just saw this rapper thing on television.
You mean it like that? No way. That's why you need it. You'd need holes. Obviously, speed holes. Holes that make it go faster. So, speed hole.
Suck on this. Or maybe, if there's someone this greedy, come with me for a bit. What did you say?
Say unidentified flying object.
Unidentified flying object.
Bullshit. It got in my ear too. Not good. So the wing is active.
Of course, active arrow.
Well, that's it.
But it can do this little thing.
This frame right now is at the point where I need to tweak the brake mount a little.
Nothing else needs to be added. It just needs to be disassembled and sent for powder coating.
Because in the end, it'll be powder coated.
Yes, it will be powder coated. Let's say the frame is finished. Now Ctrl-C, Ctrl-V.
The handlebar is still temporary too.
That's right. We aren't showing the handlebars yet, but they're already in the box, along with the wings.
Actually, we have everything.
The last wing has arrived too, so now we just have to grind. I think that on Wednesday. Today is Monday 2025, in case anyone didn't know. 2025.
September 15th. It's Monday, almost noon. I'd like to move it to production Wednesday.
I'd really like these to be able to be assembled by next weekend. That's the plan. Of course, anything can still happen.
We can move on.
Just see Zolty that way.
You see, it's a bit overdone. I'll press it from the side. A little bit.
From it.
This!
See? Genius. Technology.
Governments already.
No, no.
Etc. Having you with me was a huge help.
Of course.
And don't forget about me either. Don't forget me, I'm precise too. I was there behind Tony.
Were you precisely there behind Tony?
Yes, so the sparks wouldn't hit me. Ready?
No more left.
And the whole mess collapses. Are these pipes cubes? No, that's Lucas Rugter.
Hi everyone, in today's video, I have to tell you about the Junk Builds Charity Drift Go-Kart race on October 4th.
Just celebrities. And
so kids, you can't enter this competition?
you can't come with a different kind of go-kart. You can't come with anything because, let me clarify.
We warmly welcome anyone who brings a go-kart. You can put it down, you can show it, but you can't start it, you can't drive it, you can't do anything with it because the security guard will come and deal with you.
All right, that's important.
The celebrities will be drifting with go-karts that we have prepared for them.